Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and today I'm going to be drawing a couple winners. I do have some hidden giveaways in my videos and I will continue doing that. I am not going to name any, giveaway in my title. However, I am going to be doing a collab for the first time ever. I invited myself, by the way. I hope I was allowed to do that. What are they going to say? No. I felt really bad after that. I said, can I join this collab? And of course, they welcomed me. So can't wait to do it. I'm not going to say anything about it yet because I'm going to wait. I don't want to spoil anything and they'll kick me out. So anyway, that will have a giveaway that I will post in the title of my video. But other videos, no, I am not posting that anymore. So if you want to win giveaways on my channel, you need to watch my videos, period. That's it. It's not that hard. It's easy. And my videos are usually very short. I mean, the longest videos would probably be like 15 minutes or so. I think maybe the longest one I've ever had was like 20. And, it's just unboxing. It's I don't know. It's not that hard to watch. If you want to win a giveaway, usually I'll throw them in somewhere in the video or at the end or in the beginning, somewhere. Anyway, you guys, this is for, I'm going to be doing two drawings in this video. The first drawing I'm going to be doing is for the pet gloves. Now, I had said in that video, this was a long time ago, I was going to go ahead and draw a winner for the pet gloves. And a lot has happened since then. I never got around to drawing the winner. I know Life with Lois had entered that giveaway and she ended up actually, I believe this is how it happened. She contacted the company and, she has over 1K subscribers, but she, I guess, asked if she could, do their, get a free box for review, whatever. And she got her box, so she has some. So I left her out of this giveaway. So if you're watching, Lois, I did leave you out of this giveaway. If you do feel as if that's unfair, I do have an extra one that I can send to you. It's no big deal. I promise you that. So if you are watching, just remember that I did see your video that you already have some. That's the only reason I left you out. So again, I can send you one for free. No big deal. But anyway, let me go ahead and draw the winner. Nicole, would you like to come here and draw a winner for one of our pet gloves, the pet cleaning gloves? So not very many people have entered. So, your chances are pretty high. I think there's only about 5 or 6, 7, 8, maybe up to 10. I don't know. But all your names are in there. So let me put it up, Nicole. Up, 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 up.
I want
Which one? That one. Okay, who is it? Who is it? Oh my goodness. It is. The first name's Melissa, and I believe the last name's Duggar. So it is Melissa Duggar. I'm trying to get this. See, I reuse these, you guys. I reuse these. I don't open them. I just reuse them all the time. So this says Melissa on one side and then Duggar on the other. So Melissa Duggar, you won the set of pet gloves. So I'm going to get off camera right now. I'm going to pause the video while I get the next giveaway ready. And the other giveaway, I believe, was a surprise giveaway in one of my videos. So I'm going to go ahead and get that together. And I will be back. Okay, I'm back. So this is from the April single swag box. I did have a giveaway at the very end. It was kind of a longish video. Longish, is that a word? I think that was one of my longer videos. But there were several people that stayed till the end and that did enter the giveaway. So this is what it was. It was the Chizos, I believe. It was the back massager. That's extendable, and we already said, well, we, meaning me and other YouTubers that I watched, that this is probably not worth more than $1 at the Dollar Tree. I mean, I'm serious. I would say it's more like a toy for a kid. And I did say that when I was giving this away, so you guys know. I was also giving away this U and Oil Serum for split ends. Okay, so these are the 2 items that was in my giveaway. So I'm going to go ahead and if you use the word, what was the word, Nicole? Chair, I think. If you use the word chair, your name is in my Grove Collaborative bucket, which, by the way, I do subscribe to Grove Collaborative, so check it out. In my description box, I'm going to go ahead and tell you Grove is a great company, and you will get a 5-piece Mrs. Myers set. I believe they're still doing that for completely free. Yeah, no obligation, nothing, but it'll help me. Yes, it will. And I have my referral link in the description box. Anyway, let's get on with it. All right, Nicole, let's see who won.
Okay. Which one do I want?
Let's see.
I want this one.
Okay, that one. This is Twitchy Witch. This person is new to my channel. So before I am finished with these giveaways, I'm going to be checking to make sure that Melissa Duggar, that has been subscribed to me forever as far as I know, I'm going to make sure she is still subscribed to me, as well as Twitchy Witch, because that is, you have to be subscribed to me in order to win these giveaways. Also, you have to be in the United States, so hopefully both of you are in the United States. Melissa, I know you are, and over 18, and all of the giveaway rules were down in my description box, so hopefully you guys read them. I will go ahead and put you on pause one more time. I'm going to check to make sure these people are in are subscribed to me. That's what I'm trying to say. My brain is going faster. No, wait a second. My mouth is going faster than my brain. That's it. Anyway, hold on just a moment. So both of them are subscribed to me. So what I need both of you to do is either Instagram me at Kellys_unboxing_addiction. That is my Instagram handle. And it is also in my description box, or my email. Oh, and my name Kelly, by the way, is spelled with an I-E. So I don't want people to get confused. So it's KELLIES_unboxing_addiction. And then also my email, you can get a hold of me that way too. And that is Kelly, KELLIE 1969, it's the year I was born, at iCloud.com. Okay, so you can get a hold of me either way. I will give you, today is Wednesday. I don't have the exact date here, but it is Wednesday. This is going to go up today. I'll give you until Friday at, let's give you a time, Friday at noon. So I live in Illinois, so that is Central Time. And so it'll go on until noon Central Time. Okay, so I will go ahead and if at that time you do not contact me, I will have to select different winners, or I may just go ahead and send this off to somebody else that wanted it. So either way, you have until noon Central Time on Friday to get a hold of me. Thank you very much, everyone. And remember, I am not putting giveaways in my titles anymore. They're all hidden. Every one of my giveaways are hidden. I still have some hidden giveaways out there. This is not the end of it. I just selected 2 for today, but there are more hidden giveaways in my videos right now as we speak. Just need to find them. Thank you very much, everyone. Have a great day. Bye.